related to the same matter.
In a landmark judgment, the Bombay High Court has struck down the IT rules amendment which allowed the government to set up a fact-checking unit. The court termed this unit as illegal after hearing a petition filed by comedian Kunal Kamra and others. The mandate of the unit was to fact-check content about the government on online platforms. Ashwin Kumar with more.
Well, a major setback coming in for the centre. The Bombay High Court striking down the legality of IT rules on FCUs or fact-checking units to be specific. The rule in question, Rule 31B5. Under this rule, the government had tried to introduce an FCU or a fact-checking unit that would operate within the government and would fact-check content online with respect to the government. Now, this was opposed on multiple counts by various petitioners before the Bombay High Court. The long and short of what they had sought to argue before the Bombay High Court is that, look, this is nothing but a censorship tool. This will censor content with respect to the government, especially content that is critical of the centre. Now, this is something that the Bombay High Court had dwelt on and gave a split verdict in the month of January of this year, where a two-judge bench had given a 1:1 split verdict. That is the time this issue travelled to a third judge. This third judge today pronounced the verdict. The third judge has very clearly held that this is simply not tenable with the Indian Constitution. This is violative of various fundamental rights. This is disproportionate. This is illegal and therefore merits being struck down. So with that, the Bombay High Court striking down the IT rules on FCU, but it may not be the end of the road. Let's not forget, this is a High Court ruling coming in as far as IT rules are concerned. The centre will have the option and is likely to appeal this verdict before the Apex Court.
All right, more news from